transitioning from batch to one-piece production flow. A slow and steady production ramp-up forced this company to take a high-level review on how to meet the escalating demand. The product weights ranged from 85 to 160 pounds, and jockeying it through production was consuming labor and driving productivity down. To add to the restraints, floor space was at a premium. WorkSmart's Flowmate transport system to the rescue with its combination of ergonomic, modular workstations with a product conveyance. Starting with a conference call and some photos and a layout of current state, concepts quickly started flowing. A U layout was optimal for the space and one up, one down staffing. Then we tackled the various constraints. Future product introductions were going to increase in weight, so the cell was upgraded to heavy-duty track sections. Position 1 required 4-plane access and was handled with a locking turnstile. Mixed model production was dealt with quick change, simple fixturing. The high center of gravity of the build and possible tipping was managed with passive safety details. Mobile parts racks answered the need for point-of-use parts presentation and mixed model production. Top-down assembly was accomplished for all operators with a height-adjustable workstation. To return the empty carts and fixture to the head of the cell, a simple transfer cart was employed. Other accessories included parts shelves, monitor arms, cart stops, wire spool holders, and tool trolleys. To assist in a fast deployment, the cell was shipped in large sections and was operational within hours of receiving. Do your plans include transitioning to frictionless single-piece flow or simply need to become more efficient? Contact us for help at info@worksmartsystems.com.